Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change profile photo on Meta Business Suite. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Meta, I need you to click on the Start Now option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the profile photo on Meta Business Suite is a straightforward and easy process that can have significant impact and benefits on your account because updating your profile photo can reflect a rebranding or a fresh look for your business, helping to keep your brand current and relevant because a new profile photo can align with changes made to your branding on other social media platforms, ensuring consistency and of course aiding in brand recognition. All right. The thing is, it's a lot easier to do this on the web browser, but if you're more comfortable using the mobile app, just open the Facebook app on your mobile device and it's the same process. Now, you want to make sure that you are on a specific Facebook page for you to distinguish a personal and a business page. You need to make sure that you have access to these tools right here on the left side. That means you are on the right page. I just need you to click on the upper right corner, this one, and of course click on the profile, and then you see the camera option here. I need you to click on it. When you do that, you would have two options. You can see the profile picture or choose a profile picture. Click on this one. Now here are the suggested photos that you can choose. You can simply click on the uploads and profile pictures. If you wanted to upload a new image instead, you might want to click on the plus button here and upload a photo. Once you've done that, make sure that the profile picture that you're going to upload has the right sizing for the Facebook profile photo. Now, if you're not familiar with the size, just go here at the Meta recommended minimum image pixel requirements across placements. All right. So for the Facebook here, for feed, this is going to be the image pixel size. All right. And after that, if you're sure, just upload the photo that you wanted. And it's up to you to customize. You can zoom in and zoom out, and you basically your picture is going to be public if you are an admin or if you are the owner of a Facebook page. There's no option to make it private. All right. Once you're happy with that, click on save. Now, the second option that you can do is go here at the Meta Business Suite. Now choose the all tools option and click on the page settings. After that, click on the page setup. And from here, you see you have an option to edit the profile picture in this section as well. All right. So that's two ways. Now, the third option is I need you to go back to the Meta Business Suite and choose the account that you wanted. For example, this one. Choose the business portfolios and click the cog or the gear icon settings. And here, you see, you have an option to click on this section. Now, once you are inside here, I need you to click on the business portfolio info. And this is going to be the page wherein simply just click on the edit. And of course, you have the option here, the camera icon. Click on that so you would be able to change the profile photo. Now, you can choose a photo that you want to use as the primary image for your business account. And this will be visible across Meta. You can drag and drop the file or choose a file on your device, and that's that. After selecting a file, click on submit, and basically that's how you change your profile photo on Meta Business Suite option. All right. Remember that Updating your profile photo helps ensure that your business maintains a dynamic and engaging online presence, reflecting your brand's current state and efforts. If you need guidance on how to update your profile photo, you might want to go to the Facebook Customer Support Service Center and ask for troubleshooting and more insights. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.